feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Replacing the water filter in a Whirlpool refrigerator is a straightforward process. Start by locating your filter, which is typically found in the refrigerator's base grill or within the upper right interior. Press the release button or turn the filter to the left to unlock it. Remove the old filter and discard it. Take the new filter, remove any protective caps, and insert it into the slot. Lock it in place by twisting to the right or pushing until it clicks. Finally, flush several gallons of water through the new filter to clean it. Always ensure you use a filter compatible with your specific model.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.